Graham Ball's Negosyo Recipe Price Update 2025. In a large mixing bowl, combine the crushed graham crackers and condensed milk. Mix well and knead for 3 minutes until a dough-like consistency is formed. Scoop out portions of the mixture using a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. Each graham ball's dough weighs around 15 to 18 grams. Flatten the dough in your palm, place 1 small marshmallow in the center, and wrap the graham mixture around it to form a ball. Repeat until all the mixture is done. Use any coating you like, such as candy sprinkles, crushed Oreo, crushed roasted peanuts, or crushed graham crackers, depending on your preference. Place each graham ball into a cupcake liners to keep them neat and presentable. Arrange them in your preferred packaging, such as a clear packs or a pastry box. Stick a thank you sticker in the center of the box and tie the ribbon into a neat bow for cute presentation. You can sell this for 150 pesos per box of 12. If you're struggling with your pricing, we've got the perfect solution for you. Get our pricing calculator. Check description box below for more details. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.